At dahil college enrollment season na naman, here are the things I wish I knew before getting into college. As someone who dropped out of college to work and now I'm back in college again. Number 1, check the curriculum or yung flowchart. Specifically, if available, check nyo yung kung anong specific subjects yung iti-take nyo at aaralin nyo. Basahin nyo yun isa-isa and check if it's really something that you wanna do. Kahit pare-parehas yung pangalan ng program sa lahat ng schools, iba-iba rin yung specialty nila. Kasi nung panahon ko, di ko alam na it matters a lot pala. Kasi kala ko lang na okay, mataas yung ranking ng school na to. Probably, sige, G na to. May mga center of excellence din silang tinatawag. Depende sa kung ano nga aralin mo. Pwede mo yun i-check online. Number 2, kilalanin mo kung sino ba yung mga magtuturo sa'yo. Nung na-experience ko nang gumamit ng sarili kong pera para magbayad ng online courses, sobrang mas magiging pihikan ka kung saan mo ba gagastusin talaga yung pera mo. Kung sino ba yung magtuturo sa'yo at hindi lang ba basta-basta yung mga magtuturo sa'yo. So imagine you're gonna spend 4 years of your time, effort, and money mo or ng parents mo to be able to springboard you into the real world. How prepared do you want to be, especially when you take on bigger opportunities in life? Kailangan din talaga mabasag yung preconceptions na kasi itong school magandang pakinggan, itong school ganito ganyan. Lalo na kung may options ka. Kasi there's really more to good education than what it may appear to be. Pause muna tayo dito, number 3 and 4 on the next video.